Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto with Ledger. First, ensure your Ledger device is connected and unlocked. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section within Ledger Live. This integrated feature allows you to purchase various cryptocurrencies directly, leveraging secure third-party services. It's a streamlined process designed for convenience and security. Once in the Buy/Sell section, you'll see a list of available third-party providers. Compare their rates and services to choose the best option for you. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, specify the amount you wish to purchase, either in fiat currency or the crypto amount. The platform will display an estimated total. After selecting your provider and amount, proceed to the payment stage. You can typically use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your payment information. Crucially, you will need to verify and confirm the transaction details directly on your Ledger hardware wallet. This step ensures that only you can authorize the transfer, adding a vital layer of security. Once confirmed on your Ledger device, the third-party provider processes your order. Your newly purchased cryptocurrency is then sent directly to your secure Ledger hardware wallet. The time it takes for the crypto to appear in your account can vary, usually from a few minutes to a few hours. You can monitor the transaction status and view your updated balance in the Accounts section of Ledger Live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.